Before we start this one, please note, this triangle and this triangle are flipped and rotated from each other. Actually, technically, I just rotated around this point. We know that because of the arc marks. Double marks here, double marks here. Single mark here, single mark here. And you learn later that technically these two have to be equal because they're considered vertical angles to each other. So what that means is this 32 matches the x. This 24 matches the 48. So, if I'm trying to solve for x, again, we said that the 32 matches the x, and going back, starting with the smaller one, 24 matches the 48. Cross product fun, 24x equals 32 times 48, which is 1536. Divide off my 24, and x is 64. Don't forget to label it yards. There's your first example. Actually solving for on this one is going to be this x right here. I know there's a DM under there. I don't know what that's there for. Something I got to draw your attention to, though. There are technically two triangles here. A big one. Whoops. Hang on a sec. Thought I had my... There we go. A big triangle and a small triangle. Something else to note. This 70 only covers this part. 280 is only this part. You don't know actually how long this whole big thing is. Right? So, we're going to solve for this x. I'm going to redraw these two triangles separated out. A small triangle, which is A, B, D, right? That's this one. And a big triangle. And I'm going to recommend you consider this on my quiz and test, definitely on tonight's homework, which is ACE. ACE. We know some stuff. We know that A to B is 280. It says so right here. We know that B to D right here is 20. Now here's the common error. Folks decide to tell me that AC is 70. No. AC is the whole length, the 280 plus the 70. So I'll give you a second for that. 280 plus the 70 is 350. So this whole length along here is actually 350. And there'll be some like this on my homework tonight. What we're solving for is this one, the CE, the X, the unknown, right? Now that you've redrawn it, it's a little easier, I think. So we know for sure that the 280, right, matches the 350, and the 20 matches the X. Now your cross products, I've got 280x equals 20 times 350, which is 7,000. Divide off that 280, and x is 25. And the label here is meters. So this is 25 meters. That's what we're looking for.